Talking Tex would have won this in regulation.
First possession, Jason Castro. Bagsakan na naman ang tao. Bonachere and Ibanez got tied up to start the 5-minute overtime period. Castro punta kay Johnson. Johnson ang atake. Hanging in there, missing, and Chisholm pulls it away from Harvey Carey. You guys talk about a classic series in the championship. This is right up there. Chris Chu's 3, hindi pa rin na may pasok. 1 out of 4 from Rainbow Country si Chris Chu. And Larry Bonachere hits the deck on the rebound play. Grabe siguro emotions. Yung emotionally drained na yung mga players, pati coaches.
You know, Rainer Shan has not led in this game so far.
Let's hear from Riza Diaz.
Charlie from Rainer Shan Last Painters, ang sabi ni Coach Yang, we got here because we have been working hard. We continue to work hard, play good defense, don't assume they will miss, make them miss. For Talk and Text, Jimmy Alapag was very much vocal. Ang sabi niya, let's play our best basketball together, stay together. Charlie.
Thanks a lot, Riza. First time that Rain or Shine has led this ball game here in overtime.
And what about Jerry Cruz? Kapapasok lang, he's the energy guy. Coach Yang realizing marami siyang mga pagod na player and he needed someone to play tough defense for Jason Castro. Ivan Johnson with the putback.
Tipin ni Ivan Johnson, so yung effort nandyan. 99-99 ang ating score. Just to give credit to Rain or Shine, they were down big, mostly double digits throughout that entire second half, pero nakahabol sila to force OT. Well, let's see how much they have left in the tank. Stolen away, harap-harapan, Ivan Johnson. Castro. Johnson and Norwood hit the deck. And Bonachere releases from 3, no go. And Ibanez picks it up, back and forth sa pag-umpisa ng overtime. Paul Lee naman ang BBD.
And those are open looks once again. You know, talagang nakakagigil, you know, and it gets the crowd excited whenever anybody takes that 3, especially if it's an open 3.
Especially from a guy like ito si Paulie na kanina pa pumapasok ang mga tres niya.
Well, Larry Bonachere, 2 big defensive rebounds dito sa ating overtime period. So making his presence felt even if he's not getting double figures.
Ranidel is quiet for some time. Goes to Harvey Carey. Pag hindi umiscore si Ranidel, namamasa din.
Oh, that's correct. And just good recognition on the part of Ranidel dahil sinet yung tao ni Harvey Carey.
Balik ang kalamangan sa Talk and Text. Dalawa lang yan. 101-99. 2:45 remaining. Overtime. They go to Chisholm. Not a bad place to go. The way he's been playing. Pero nagbintis siya. Jaire Ibanez getting another offensive board. Jericho the spin. Blocked upstairs by Castro, but possession stays. And Chisholm releases. That's a 3.
And Chisholm hasn't lost his touch. A big 3 from the corner.
And he's been hitting those threes off balance. May bantay. Castro gustong bawiin, no go. Johnson trying to fight for it, but who picks it up? Paul Lee calls a timeout in the backcourt. Johnson nagre-reklamo sa referee. It's how you finish, sabi nga nila. Last 2 minutes here in the OT. Power up the last 2 minutes of the game with Cobra Energy Drink. Tuktok pa. Jericho, a rookie but in the game. Chisholm draws a foul. Bagsak si Ranidel, pati si Jaire Ibanez. And if we count the number of times that players have hit the deck, napakarami na rin.
That's correct. You know, and you know, Talk and Text struggling with those off-the-ball screens from the small guy screening a big guy.
I thought there was excellent execution on the part of Rain or Shine because hinahanap nila si Chisholm sa loob. Chisholm going for his outside shot, but he's got a major advantage sa matchup niya against Harvey Carey sa loob.
Wayne Chisholm, nabuhay sa second half. When they needed that scoring, the third period, into the fourth period, hirap na hirap silang score. Chisholm took the cudgels. Now they're up by 3. Johnson, step back 3.
Oh! What a shot! Coming from Ivan Johnson, step back. Oh!
so many heroes in this game.
Lahat ng
For
galing,
both
nilalabas
teams.
na. Mabla na naman tayo. Fourth time in the ball game. 104.
There's the
Paul Lee.
switch. Paul Lee.
Binin sa kanyang tira.
There's a
the
foul on
rebound.
Jericho Cruz.
Oo. Meron ng foul. Look at that shot.
Yeah, you know, step back. That's a shot that you'd give him. Kasi mas ano siya, yung nakaset yung paa niya. Pero yung gano'n, na-step back. But he made it. Big time shot from Ivan Johnson.
Ngayon nasa linya si Larry para sa dalawa. Another lead change in this game.
What a ball game we are witnessing here. Almost down right now. Who can make 2 consecutive stops?
2-point lead para Clock and Tex. 1:06 remaining. In the first overtime. 52 being in a pick. Hindi makapunta kay Chisholm. Down to 10 seconds. Game forward with the ball. Back to Chris Chu. Chris Chu will drive and spin. And lead for Paul Lee. What a setup! Tabla na naman!
Extra passes. You know, those are the magic things that Rainer Shine is doing.
And you know, they're not hurrying up. They're not taking those unnecessary 3-point shots. Nagpe-penetrate sila and they're looking to make a drop pass for the high percentage shot.
Castro with the ball. Chisholm is on it. They go to Ivan Johnson. Hit a 3 over ni Banya sa wala ko. Ngayon drive naman. Hit defense mula kay Chisholm. Supalpal sa taas. And practically all the time remains para rito sa Rainer
They call
side.
a timeout. That's the right thing to do. 19.7 seconds to go. A lot of time left.
0.7 differential. Game clock and shot clock. Halos lahat na yan sa Rainer side.
There's the switch na sinasabi nila. You can see here, the timing ni Chisholm yung cut niya. And once he cuts, biglang the drive dito si Paul Lee.
Down to 7 seconds. He gotta move.
There's
The
Paul
three
Lee
from
with a
Paul
shot.
Lee. Doesn't go. Johnson with the rebound. They call a timeout. Ocampo.
almost a catch and shoot. Here.
Castro, let's fly. 106 all.